Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can withdraw money from PayPal. So let's jump right in. Begin by launching the PayPal app or visiting paypal.com on your browser. After logging in, you'll notice your available balance displayed right at the top of the screen. Mine currently shows $1. To proceed, tap the wallet icon located at the bottom right corner. This will bring you to your wallet overview, where your balance is shown once again. Simply tap on the PayPal balance to continue. On the next screen, you'll be presented with two options: Add Money and Transfer. Select Transfer, and you'll see several choices for withdrawing your funds. Choose Transfer to Bank to move your money out of PayPal. You can opt for a standard transfer, which takes 1 to 3 business days and is completely free, or go for an instant transfer that lands in your account within minutes for a small fee, typically around 25 cents. After selecting the method that works best for you, just tap Transfer at the bottom and that's it. Your money will be on its way to your chosen bank or payment account in no time.